Welcome back to my music workshop. My name's Mr. Elias, and today we're going to listen, learn, and play music just like we always do. We're going to focus today's lesson on something called patterns. You can hear patterns in songs with the verse and the chorus. You can also see patterns on the keyboard when you look at its keys. Today we're going to learn to find those patterns, listen for those patterns, and you're going to learn to find a very special key on the keyboard called the D for doggy. If you have a piano or keyboard at home, you can follow along on that. And if you don't, that's fine too. We're going to have tons of fun either way. Are you ready? Here we go. Now we're going to listen to Bodhi the Bulldog. And just like in Prickly Pete, we're going to hear a pattern. And it's the same pattern. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus. You're going to hear that a few times. In Bodhi the Bulldog, when you hear the verse, I want you to pretend like you're in a little doggy house. And then when the song changes to the chorus, it will tell you what Bodhi does, like run, Bodhi, run, run, or sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep. So you do whatever Bodhi's doing in the song. If it says run, Bodhi, run, run, you can pretend to run. If it says sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, pretend to sleep. Okay? Listen for the pattern, verse and chorus in Bodhi the Bulldog. Here we go.
She looks really sad. Bodhi the Bulldog, she's really glad. So run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run. Run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run. Run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run. Run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run, Bodhi, run, run. Bodhi the Bulldog, why the big frown? Bodhi the Bulldog, won't you lie down? So sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep. Sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep. Sleep, Bodhi, go to sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, go to sleep. Sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep, Bodhi, sleep, sleep. Bodhi the Bulldog, she eats too much. Carrots and crackers, crunch, crunch your lunch. So eat, Bodhi, eat, Bodhi, eat, Bodhi, eat. 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 Bodhi the Bulldog, a bath you must take. Bubbles and bubbles, bubbles you'll shake. So shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake. Shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake. Shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake. Shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake, Bodhi, shake, shake. Bodhi the Bulldog, your day is done. Bodhi the Bulldog, dance in the sun. So dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance. Dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance. Dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance. Dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance, Bodhi, dance, dance.
Hi, and welcome back to my music workshop. Today we're going to learn a little bit about the keyboard. Keyboard. What's a key? Well, I think you know. There are keys that open houses. There are keys that start cars. There are keys that open treasure boxes, but there's another kind of key, and this is actually my favorite kind of key. On the keyboard, there are white keys and black keys, and each one of those is called a key. Now, when you look at the white keys on a keyboard, they're all in a row. But the black keys, they like to be in little groups. There's a group of 2 black keys, then 3 black keys, then 2, 3. And that's a pattern that we find on the keyboard. If you have a keyboard or piano, look for that pattern. Look for 2 and then 3 black keys, 2 and 3. Now the next thing we're going to learn is how to find one of those white keys and always find the same one. Did you know what they're named after? The white keys on a keyboard are named after the letters. There's an A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And today I'm going to teach you how to find the D and always find the D. So look at your keyboard and find me 2 black keys. They're all over the keyboard. Anywhere that there are 2 black keys is fine. Find those 2 black keys, and now I want you to use your imagination and pretend that those 2 black keys are doggy ears. They'd have to be floppy doggy ears, long floppy doggy ears. So look at those 2 doggy ears, and then where would the doggy's face be? Right in between the doggy ears. And that white key in between the doggy ears is the D for doggy. Do you know what letter dog starts with? It starts with D. So if you look for the 2 black doggy ears and find the white key in the middle, you'll always find the D on the keyboard. Are you ready to go find it? If you have a piano at home or a keyboard at home, find that key. Find the D. If you don't, that's okay. Just look right up here and I'll show you a picture of a keyboard, and now you can find a D. Here we go. This is Mr. Elias, and this is Jay.
Hello.
And we are going to show you some basics today that you can do at home on a keyboard. So try to follow along if you can. Jay, do you remember the pattern of black keys on the keyboard? How many are here?
3,
And here?
2, 3, 2, 3.
Great job. Can you put your fingers on the 3 black keys? And how about the 2 black keys? Excellent. Now, one other thing I want you to try to do. Jay, can you find the D for dog? Find me those. Good. And where do we find the D for dog?
In between the 2 dog ears. In between the 2 black ones.
Great job. That was perfect. Thank you.